Hi, today we are going to be adding Bluetooth to the factory radio. No idea exactly how we're going to do it yet, but we're going to figure it out.
Why am I doing this? Is because I would like to have the factory radio appearance, but I still want to have the convenience of Bluetooth. The videos aren't out yet, but I am also working on an SQ audio build. So this really isn't the best way to go for SQ audio type of build. So my DSP does take Bluetooth directly, so for when I want the higher quality, I can just Bluetooth directly to the DSP. Or just watching like a podcast or something where the quality isn't that important, then I can just run it right through the head unit. Then I got the convenience of having the factory knob, the factory appearance, and all that kind of stuff. How are we gonna do this? Basically just gonna splice into the aux input. I'm gonna go through the backside and just solder on a couple wires that goes to an aux cord. You can get them off of eBay, they're pretty cheap. Here's a link. Then you can get this off of Amazon as well, super cheap. And what it is, it's like a mini Bluetooth board or chip. And the aux cord just plugs right into there. You still gotta power this guy. So in order to power this, I got one of these. It has the mini USB, I think it's called. And there'll be a picture of all this. Right into there, that's your power. Other side goes to the radio. Now this side, all I gotta do is wire this to a remote turn on. Now there's a chance this could introduce some noise. And if that does happen, I do have a plan for that. They do make devices you can put in the power line to help reduce the noise from the electric. Hopefully it doesn't come to that, but I do have that just in case. Let's show the clips of getting this aux cord into the deck. The plan is to tap into that aux in line, which is actually not built into the deck. There's a piece of foam, so let's try and remove that foam. There we go, we got access. That's a lot of wires. So it's really tight in there, so I think what we need to do is take this faceplate off. So it looks like we got a screw there, and a screw there, and hopefully that's it. The screws are up, but it looks like there's little plastic clips right there I gotta pop off. Forgot to mention there's also clips on the top and bottom. There we go. Looks like everything we need is in here. Why is there so many wires going to an aux input? That's gonna be the hard part. Or I got another idea. I could just unscrew the aux and flip it around the other way and just connect a cord to it. Then I wouldn't be able to use the aux that's actually on the faceplate. Kinda wanted to be able to do both. Alright, so we have labels here, and we're basically looking for left, right, which is left on here, right's in the middle, then ground on top. But over here, we got the ground wire there, that's fine. It looks like the ground's not going to this post here. This is going to something labeled as SG. So I'm gonna have to assume that stands for signal ground, and that's where we're gonna put our ground wire to. You got 3 color wires here. Basically the red is gonna be your left channel. The white is gonna be the right channel, and the black is the ground. So it should basically
Go just like that, and it needs to be soldered on. Alright, there we go. It's all soldered on. And now it's just time for reassembly. Alright, we are completely done. Everything is reassembled. And you can see after soldering on this wire, this just hangs out, and that's gonna plug into my Bluetooth chip. So when I put all this together, I can see where I have room. I can glue the chip underneath the deck maybe, or maybe on top, maybe just hidden behind the dash. I could even extend this wire, maybe put the Bluetooth chip closer to the fuse box. That's it. Thank you for watching. Aloha. Peace out. Catch you on the next one.